Hello everyone and welcome. It's Coach Scott here. I'm excited to share with you these top 5 products that are absolutely crushing it right now in summer. It's heating up out there and these products are super hot. And I've been doing e-commerce now over 10 years, you guys. So I believe that this is my specialty when it comes to really picking the best products to make as much money as you can fast. Universal products that will literally scale in USA, Canada, Australia, and all the top 5. And I want to hand them over to you guys because if you can launch them today and start making some profits, good on you guys, because only 80% of people are going to listen. The small percent are actually going to take action. So if you guys think dropshipping is dead, no. I'm about to share with you guys something really exciting. I have another e-commerce coach over here who's got a YouTube channel. His name is Anthony, and he just showed recently how he took a product, these shorts, and started scaling them over $1,700 a day just recently. And I want to give this YouTuber a big shout out. I think his content is amazing. And I want to share with you guys that all it takes is a good seasonal trend product leading into summer that you guys can get in front of. And this is what he shares right here. Let me play the video.
$3,000 with this same exact product here. And I understand these just look like some normal shorts at first. So if you're ever
right, so they just look like normal shorts, but he was able to take someone else that was already making over $300,000, right, and reverse engineer their whole process. And that's basically what I'm be doing with you today with the solar fan hat, the workout device, basically giving you guys the winning videos, the winning products, the profit margins, what we pay, and how to basically get in front of these trends. So this was a product that he recently launched that I thought he did an amazing job on. Let me play the video a little bit.
purse around, they don't have man pockets where they can overload it with their phone.
So it has pockets for the phone and everything. And he was able to scale this right on TikTok, guys. He actually shared the whole campaign from start to finish. Here's the website that he was using, just really simple content here. But one of the things that I really liked is he's using TikTok. I'm a Facebook ads guy. All of my millions of dollars I've made was through Facebook ads. But he's actually really killing it with TikTok. I want to give a big shout out to him for inspiring me to want to get back on TikTok. But one of the things that I really like that he's doing is he's using cost caps, bid caps on TikTok. And so I like the strategy that he's sharing here. He's getting some pretty good purchases too. $26 per purchase, $22 per purchase. Let me go ahead and show you guys some of the results here. He's doing $1,000 a day on some and $1,700 a day on another. And you can see over here, he's getting $15 per purchase, $20 per purchase. So if you guys can get under $20 per purchase when you're running your ads, that's actually really good. You guys can scale that to the moon. And with a product like this, we're not paying more than like $7 or $6 and he's selling it for $39. So this was basically a case study that he did and he's currently selling these now. I think it's awesome. So I want to get back to my top 5 products and how you guys can basically start making money with these products. But I just want to share with you that drop shipping is not dead. It's working right now. And all you got to do is get in front of a trend, get in front of the data. So first on the list is this waterproof outdoor solar charger. It's got over 26,000 likes and it just launched recently. There's 2 different videos that are rocking right now. There's this one here with 26,000 likes, awesome video. And you could see here with over 7.9 thousand shares, guys, solar waterproof camping charger. People are going to be going outdoors quite a bit, and this one just launched here in May 9th, and it's got over 9,000 likes and over 900 shares. I like those type of that engagement right there. That's really good engagement. That's what we're looking for. So it's got massive opportunity, everyone. We buy it for around $15 and we sell it for around $59. So it's got great margins. It's a hot niche right now, camping, people outdoors. Don't overlook this product. Waterproof, everything, perfect. Solar, it's got 2 lights on the end and it comes with all those different charging cables on the back. So guys, awesome potential here. We buy it for around $15, we sell it for $59. Next on the list, let's go. Second on the list is this amazing fitness product for women who want to get fit, look sexy for summer, and it's an absolute money printer. What do I mean by that? We pay only $5 or $6 for this product. We ship it out and we sell it for about $34, $39.95. And we like to use them as bundles. So 2-pack, 3-pack, etc. The video that just launched recently here in April, I think I remember, got over 20,000 likes, guys, already with almost 3,000 shares. And this is just a Facebook video crushing it. And I'm sure there is other videos on TikTok that you guys can get your hands on and start testing as well. And just take a look here, guys. Incredible engagement. This is what we want to see right here. You know, when something is that new and getting that much engagement, then you know the market wants it. Let me go ahead and share with you what the product margins are, the actual margins that we would pay for this. So like I said, it's about $4 or $5 to ship it out, but awesome product in itself. It's getting over 4.9 reviews and it's new, and we want to get in front of something that's new, and we want to get in front of the trend. So summer's coming, people want to get fit. I hope you guys really like this product. Take a look. All right, this next product is genius. It's a shoe washing bag, and who doesn't have shoes and who doesn't like clean shoes? It only costs us $7 to ship it out the door, everything, and we sell it for about $34 or $39.95 for a one. But we try to do the 2-pack, the bundle pack, and that goes for $49.95, and we get that around $11, you guys, out the door. So anyone who's got sneakers, sports shoes, expensive shoes that need cleaning, this is an amazing product for that, and it's got great videos to back it up. Let me share with you guys this video here. It launched just last year in September, and it's got over 10,000 likes and over 592 shares. I like the women factor behind it. A lot of pretty women in the beginning of the video, but this also works for men and women. Another thing that's really good to know too is that this is universally sold everywhere. So Canada, United Kingdom, United States. This is a great product for all around the world, you guys. And that's what I like about dropshipping, is that we want to sell everywhere. So this product is definitely blowing up, guys. Let me share with you the actual profit margins here so you can know how much we pay and everything. So again, it's about $5, $7 for one, and then we can get the 2-pack for about $11. And that's how we really make money, is when we sell 2-packs, 3-packs, 4-packs. That's, you know, McDonald's has been very clear that they don't make money just selling one item. You have to get the supersize, the upsize, and we are the same way in e-commerce, is that we got to bundle everything to get that high AOV, guys. Get excited for the next one. It's going to blow you away. Let's go, baby. Summer's going to be hot, and so is this product. It's called the Pet Cooling Mat. It's inflatable with water. This is perfect, you guys. Perfect for pet owners, for dogs and cats. It only costs us around $8, and we sell it for upwards of 49 or 59 bucks. And we all know pet products are evergreen. They're almost like recession proof. People spend big money on their pets. And this video here that I'm about to share with you has gone super viral just recently, and it just launched here in April 2nd. And it's got over 6,000 likes, over 867 shares. And this is just one of the competitors right here. There's multiple competitors. There's that guy, and there's this guy that just launched here in May 14th. So literally like 3 weeks ago just launched, and he's got over 14,000 likes and 3,000 shares. So you can't tell me that this isn't working right now. This is working. It's growing super fast. And this is one of the top products in my top 5 list, besides the last one that is the very best. So if you guys like engagement, you guys like numbers, you guys like data, this product right here has everything and more. Now, the next thing that you guys want to see is how much does it cost us? And that's a big thing, everyone. So it can only cost us like $8 or $9. And this is the AliExpress listing. And so just so you guys know, I'm giving away a PDF guide with all of the products all together. So if you guys want, down below inside the description, you're going to have this PDF guide that's going to have all the links, all the products, all put together in one, with the price, the profit. So you don't have to do any second guessing, everybody. I want you guys to have everything inside of that PDF guide, exactly what I covered today. This last product is mind-blowing. Can you believe it's gotten over 110,000 likes just recently on Facebook as of this year in 2025? Yes, friends, I can't wait to share with you how viral, attention-grabbing it is. It costs us only $15, and we're selling it upwards of $69 easily. It's perfect for summer, outdoors, fishing, sports, hiking. Thing sells itself. It literally sells itself, you guys. Totally awesome. Let me blow you away with the engagement here. So this is the ad right here. It started April 15th, and it's got over 110,000 likes, everyone, and over 10,000 shares. That's huge when it comes to what we do in e-commerce. This video right here is a very high quality selling video. This guy is like, hey, look, if this thing's blowing on me all day long, I love this thing. I can't wait to go outside. And so this video right here sells itself. That's why it's such a hot video. And that's what we need in the world of dropshipping. We need a really high quality, powerful video to do the selling for us. And so I just want to share with you guys the product cost over here on AliExpress. It shows about $7, but we get it for about $15, $16 with the 2 solar fans. It's waterproof and phenomenal, guys. I mean, that's just one of the competitors. I saw multiple competitors all selling that same product with the same video. So best believe, everyone, this is the same product and the same video that my team is using right now to make these type of sales. And if you guys want to know the tool that I'm using too to find hot winning products, it's right here. It's called Drop a Spy, and it tells me the data here. It tells me, you know, how many likes and shares. And then it also tells me it's just right here in the United States. And that's important, you guys. We're looking for what's scaling in USA, because if it's working in USA, then it can be scaled outside in other countries. Canada, Australia, you know, the top 5 is what I've been specializing in all this time, dropshipping. I love doing the top 5. So I hope you guys got a lot of value here so far today with the solar fan hat. Let me know out of the top 5 products, which one you guys like most. Hear me out, everyone. My students test a lot of winning products every month, every week. We test dozens of products, and these are the winners that are working right now with high profit margins, proven engagement, great viral trends. Like if you guys look up Google Trends, you could easily see that these are the trends going into summer right now. So if you're not following this, you're leaving money out on the table. It's like squeezing a lemon and you try to squeeze as much lemon juice out of that lemon, right? If you just throw it away and barely squeeze, you're not getting as much as you can. So all I ask, guys, is pick one product, test it, scale it, and if you want my exact winning ad videos, my exact winning ad copy, and how I create my landing pages, then I want you guys to reach out to me inside of that document that I provided down below. In the document below, I have the PDF guide that you guys can start using to start getting the links for these products. You can reach out to me as well. There's my Calendly booking link, and I'll give you guys everything that you need to really succeed. I'll even go over your data and help you understand your guys' data, whether it's Facebook ads or TikTok. I do both, but I'm really proficient with Facebook, you guys. So if you need help learning your data, launching your ads, and running this into a real success in summer 2025, then definitely, everyone, you got to get a hold of me. You got to get the link down below, the Calendly link. And I look forward to seeing you guys on the inside. And I got a Discord community as well, where we share those winning products. We share the winning things going on in our community. So I want everybody to win, guys. There's no such thing as saturation. You see, if there's over 110,000 likes, we got a lot of potential for you too inside of that pie, everyone. There's a big e-commerce pie. You just want a piece of it, and that's what I want to help you do. So again, everyone, my name is Coach Scott, your digital e-com mentor. And if you guys need any help, make sure to reach out to me, like this video, and I would love to help you guys. I got a firefighter background. I used to be a firefighter in California for over 7 years because I love to help people. But once I learned about business and I started making money, I couldn't turn back. And that's why I'm here today, everyone. I really do truly love to help people, and I love to help you succeed. So I'll see you guys on the next one. Give this video a like and let me know which product you like most. Take care. Ciao for now.